Ayan, kabayan! Yes, good morning! Ito, andito tayo sa may Club Laia showroom. So by now, nakikita natin scale model, the master plan scale model ng ating beach town dito sa Laia, San Juan. So southern part to ng San Juan. Ito yung may white beach. Yes, tama, narinig nyo. Kasi sa San Juan sabi, ay hindi, black sand. Doon sa kabilang side po yun sa Tayabas Bay. Dito tayo sa Sigayan Bay. So what I'll be doing, yung natin from west, ayan, nakita nyo yung north yan, west to east. No? So sa west side, andito yung mountain. So that will be yung Mount Hugom and Mount Daguldol. Okay, so ito yung beachfront niya. So again, this is Club Laia, Seaside District. This is a 24 hectares development together with Premier District. So ang difference niya, yung Club Laia Seaside District, primarily commercial and office. And by now, sold out na yan, mga 100 lots, commercial lots. And nakikita nyo na dito, yun yung Spinnaker, kabayan. Yan yung may studio unit ka. And across, dyan, yan yung pinupropose natin, no? Sa mga kita natin, no? Yan yung bed and breakfast, mga short-term leasing ng Premier District. So, yan ang kanyang highlight dyan. Yung tinatawag natin, di ba, napanood mo na yun? Yung linear pool, lighted linear pool. Okay, so here, on the west side ng Spinnaker, yung napansin nyo may pool yan. Yan, existing na yan. This is a hotel. Ang tawag naman is Club Laia Beach Club. Okay? So, yan yon yung hotel. Tapos, meron din siyang restaurants dyan. And between this private lands and ito yung river, the Laia River. Okay, so ayan, ano pa rin yan, white sand yan, ang sarap. So pwede, no? Of course, yung kanyang coastal area ng beach coastal area, pwede na malakarin yan ng lahat eh. Now, pagdating naman natin dito sa residential ng Playa Laia, so yan ang makikita natin una, yung kanyang beach park. Okay, yun yung unang amenities. So again, ang maganda dito, phase 4 na tayo, ito yung huli. So, this is almost 128 hectares development na residential. Okay, 26 unit, 25 lots na lang available, kabayan. Okay, so ito yung highlight niya, yung Grand Coral. Okay, so you will notice talagang master plan by a well-known architect, Ben Salido Architect. Okay, so again, yan yung, yung kanyang seawall, means between 5 to 8 feet high. Ayun! Tapos, again, 1 kilometer yun ng white sand. And dito yung mga remaining lots nating kabayan. Ayan. So, nakita mo, block 8, block 9, block 10. So, perfect. So, you will notice this is just from the beach, from your home to the beach, mga 5 to 8 minutes walk. Then, 10 to 15 minutes walk naman. Papunta ka dito sa, if you want to have a pool experience, o kaya may event ka dito sa may Grand Coral Clubhouse. Tapos meron nakalagay dito na temporary na beach volleyball. Nakita ko. Yun lang.